Trustworthy technology is essential for every Australian manufacturer in 2022. It is this technology which ensures that the CPM oil-injected screw compressor series remains an efficient and reliable performer. Hi, I'm Tim Webster for Industry Update Video. Now, the capacity of the range reaches beyond standard conditions, making it ideal for demanding applications while being easily deployable in harsh working conditions. The in-house drivetrain ensures stable compressed air delivery at 16 bar pressure, while the component design up to 20 bar is safe and reliable. The CPM 15 to 30 kilowatt 16 bar package delivers a complete solution with air dryers, filters and tank to ensure clean and dry air supply. Improved quality assurance and quicker access to service are a result of the innovative modular design with the 4.3-inch HD graphic touch controller integrated with intelligent connectivity. To find out more about the CPM 15 to 30 kilowatt 16 bar package compressor, visit cpcompressors.com.au. And thanks for watching. I'm Tim Webster.